you when you fall. You are broken, you've been scattered on the ground, because a mist has fallen over and you seem to have been left out. Climbing back in could be troublesome indeed. Where do you go now? Fading, you fell down. Your chances are low here. You cannot run from your fear. Yet your body, your mind isn't near. And you're fading now. The world can't see how you just did then fell down on your knees. And you're fading now, returning back, 'cause your lines are blurry. Now you've lost track. Fading fast to his disaster. You feel like you're fading on. You feel like you're fading on.